guys. A winter day in Toronto on 19th January 2020. It's around 9 p.m. and look at this. Look at this. Snow everywhere. This is Toronto. Look at this car. Wow. Ouch. That hurts. Look at this, guys. A typical winter day in Toronto. Look at this. You are not north. You are in main GTA, main Toronto Scarborough. So just imagine. Look at this. So here it is. Let's see what lies tomorrow. Here we go. Look at this. This hurts. It's very, very difficult to walk. I don't know how people are driving today, but this is a mess. Seriously, a big mess out here. Ouch, it's cold. It was -20 in the morning. Now it's a little bit better. But yeah, this is what Toronto is all about. Toronto, Canada. A typical winter day. I hope you enjoyed it. Look, poor guys are shoveling. Shovels are out, blowers are out. Here it is. That's Toronto for you.